Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a financial analyst. I do videos on side hustles, passive income, entrepreneurship, and all things money. Today, we are going to talk all about the 4 fun and boring ways that you could potentially make $100K in a year. So let's jump into number 1. So number 1 is a remote service business. Establishing a remote service business that you could do from the comfort of your own home, your own computer. So here's some examples of remote service businesses that actually work. I would go with a home cleaning remote service. When people need their homes cleaned, you are the person that they go to schedule out the cleaning, and you decide the rate, you decide the hours that this particular home needs to have somebody or a team in it cleaning. So what you're doing is, as the remote person, as the business owner, you are the middleman and you have contractors that go out and physically clean the homes, and you get a percentage of the money, and then you pay them whatever their hourly rate is that they've decided with you when you get the payment from the homeowner. This can be done on a greater scale. So once you establish your business model, you could have 2 and 3 and 4 houses being cleaned in a day if you have broadened your marketing. So you're the marketing person, you're the business owner, and you're the person who's hiring and contacting the contractors. So this is why you are getting a percentage of the actual contractors that are cleaning, because you're the person who found them all of the homes to clean. And then you can even do this with multiple businesses. You can do this with gutter cleaning, you can do this with lawn care. So it's not just home cleaning as a service. You could do multiple things that have to do with homes, since you're already in that marketing niche of reaching out to homeowners and letting them know what you do and asking them if they need that service. If you have somebody who is a homeowner who needs lawn care, who needs cleaning service, and who needs their gutters cleaned twice a year, that one client is giving you 3 different kinds of businesses. You're providing those 3 different services for them. So that's just in the long run if you wanted to scale your home service business, but in the short run, definitely start with the most popular one in your area. If it's a cleaning service, then start and go in that direction. Number 2 is vending machine business. So a vending machine business can be a little tough because it depends on where you put that machine. So if you are putting that machine into somewhere that has a Walmart or a 7-Eleven next door and walking distance, then that machine is not going to do too well. And also, if you just have the one machine, that's not going to do too well either, or that's not going to provide you a full-time income. What I'm talking about with a vending machine business is you get a contract to go into several high schools in your county. So maybe you have 4 vending machines in one high school and 4 vending machines in 2 other high schools, and then that's all of your revenue from your vending machine business. So on average, one vending machine in a popular location can make between $500 and $1,000 in a month, and that's on the low end, and that depends on whether you just have like drinks or you have snacks or you have 2 machines with both. If you want to go and buy an existing vending machine business, I would check out Biz Buy Sell to check out any vending machine businesses that are being sold, so you can go in and buy that vending machine business that's already established. Make sure you look at their financials and see if they're actually making money, and then you can kind of pick up from there. But definitely high schools, I don't know if they allow vending machines in middle schools, I have no idea, but if they do, definitely schools are the way to go. And then also hospitals and car dealerships, places where people are waiting for a long time, they need a snack, and they can't walk to somewhere outside of that business to get different vending machine type of stuff. So definitely, if you want to go that route, I would start with one machine, see where it fits, see where it's the most profitable, and then buy another one from the proceeds from that, and then buy another one from the proceeds from that one. Vending machine business, very lucrative. So definitely check out vending machine business if that is something that's right for you. Let's get into number 3. So number 3 is a parking lot cleaning business. And so what I mean by that is you are cleaning a parking lot. So getting all the trash up from the parking lot at the end of the shopping night and making the parking lot clean, power washing. I would definitely target a small or medium parking lot, like a strip mall shopping center, because your larger ones are gonna have a big company in place already. And if it's something that you wanna do on your own, like as just you, then you're gonna need supplies like trucks, you're gonna need, well, a truck, and you're gonna need a power washing machine and different things like that. But if you want to do this on a larger scale, you can reach out to subcontractors who can go out and clean those small to medium parking lots for you while you have different parking lots to manage. And at that point, you're just the business owner, you're just managing the marketing and the day-to-day operations and the finances, not necessarily going out and doing it. So that's why I'm looping this into the remote side. If you do this on a larger scale, you're not gonna have time to do it yourself. So therefore, it'll be remote. So number 4 is newsletters. So how do you monetize a newsletter? How do you start a newsletter? What you want to do is start a newsletter on something that you're already passionate about, something that you can write about easily every month on a monthly basis and give people useful information. But how you monetize a newsletter is you can sell ad space to local businesses, you can sell ad space in general. You can also set up affiliate links that your readers are going to be interested in that have to do with the topic, so they can purchase different things. You can also have people subscribe to the newsletter and then provide premium content so that they can pay for the additional premium content that you're providing them. There's a couple different ways that you could monetize a newsletter. There's so many newsletters out there right now that are making a good amount of money. Again, they did grow a following, but it's not to say that you can't make money from a really good newsletter if you're a writer and if you're passionate about a specific topic. So that is my 4 best and fun, boring ways that you could potentially make 100K in a year. And I will see you guys in the next video. Leave me a comment down below and let me know which one of these that you're already trying, that you'd like to try, and that you know somebody who is trying right now. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.